Also, great, Newtons, could I possibly bother you to get me, 2 AA batteries? To replace this? I'm pretty sure, yeah, the blue ones are dead. Okay. Lesson learned, open the entire calendar at once next year. Yeah, actually. Thank you. You got the older ones? Yeah. Please ignore this job that I did here. Actually. No, I disconnected it. Oh, no, this still works. Oh, I ran out of the type of battery I needed. That's what it was. Whoa. Thank you. So here, let me explain this, why it looks like this. I did a thing where I made this more wearable, so you can stick a 3-volt battery in here, and it'll last for a reasonable amount of time. It's at least enough time to, like, wear it for, like, 4 hours, and you're good. But what I ended up doing is when I set these up behind me on my, like, when I don't have a green screen, I have that scene, I put the Christmas lights up there, and I was like, I kind of want it to run a bit longer, so I, like, pulled this up so that I could stick the battery back in. But yeah, I did this very shitty soldering job that you totally can't see, but it's just basically I soldered, like, the 2 leads to where it would normally be connected, to just bypass the need for these huge-ass batteries. But yeah, I'm out of 3-volt batteries right now, so, I can't do anything about that. So we're gonna use the rechargeables, which are probably better, to be honest. There we go. Oh, we got blue lights working. Hey. Okay. No, I also think there's something else wrong with this, because not all the lights are turned. Oh, look, it got severed. Oh. When did that happen? Yo. Okay. Damn it. I didn't notice that. I wonder if that happened today when I took it off of the, I'm gonna have to solder this. Should we do this right now? I kind of want to do this right now. Green lights look great with the green screen active. Yeah, it does a little, spooky. My sister gave me RGB programmable lights for my room that I can sync to sound and music, and my mom shipped me a star projector that can also be programmed to music. Yo, that is fucking awesome. One thing that I wanted to get that's slightly too expensive for me right now is, those, like, fucking light panels that you can, like, program, and make, like, patterns with on the wall. I really fucking want those, but they are expensive as. Especially in Canadian. But yeah, that's fucking awesome. I also would love I have a star projector, but one that would be controlled by, like, sound and music. That sounds awesome. Reminder, she's tiny, so AA batteries are gigantic to her. My mom got me 4 Twitch-themed masks. Oh? Do they look cool, at least? I didn't get any gag gifts this year. Do everything? Okay, here. Let's, I'll show you as much as I can. Let's maybe turn off the power first. Yeah, it's totally, this entire string went out. I don't know if I have electrical tape to fix this after. I'm actually, fuck, I really should solder it, but I don't, hold on, I need to change the category for this fucking stream now. I'm sorry, I swear we're gonna get to Skyrim, because this isn't gonna take me too long. It's probably gonna be as long as I would normally chat for. So, I'm gonna change to just chatting. Okay. I'm not gonna burn myself. It's a fucking 3-volt charge in here. 3 volts is nothing. Even 9 volts is nothing. It's not pleasant if you shock yourself with 9 volts, but you're not gonna fucking, like, die unless you have a pacemaker. And I don't have a pacemaker. Or heart problems. So. How do I do the speak? It's exclamation mark speak and then your message, but you have to be careful because, well, like, if there's any bad words in it, it just won't read it. I don't do swearing over text-to-speech. Oh, man. I'm worried I'm gonna cut another fucking cable as I'm doing this. These are, like, heat formed onto here. I thought it was, like, electrical tape.
Plumberry Muffin. She does allow me to tell her she's a monster for stealing the shoes of orphans,
Yeah,
though.
none of those words are banned. Oh, man. Wow, this is really in really bad shape, actually.
Basilisk plays. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas to you, too. I hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for coming by and hanging with me on this day. I'm really excited to play some Skyrim. What the fuck did they do here? I mean, this is like very shittily made. It's very, very poor quality. I'm pretty sure they didn't solder anything. I'm pretty sure this is all held in place with tape. Which explains a lot. Are these allowed to touch? I don't know what's going... My voltmeter is also behind the green screen, so I can't access any of my, like, electronics tools right now. Should I give, like, an intro to I don't... Haven't given a speech on electronics in a while. But yeah, basically what's going on here is there's like an LED, so everything is like positive when you're working with direct current, which is battery powered, versus AC, which is plug into the wall. Which are both very different ways that power is delivered. Yeah, okay. So each LED has a negative and a positive, and depending on the way it's hooked up, it works differently. So these are connected in series. So basically, you're going from negative here to positive. So here's your LED. Pretend that's your LED. I wish I could draw this out. Anyway, so you have your negative LED hold on. Let me show you what an LED looks like. Give me a second. I must have one over here. I have like jumbo LEDs, but I was not prepared to give this speech, so I don't have any of my materials. I'm looking for them right now. We need this electrical tape. Do I not have green electrical tape to fix this afterwards? Black, though. Sorry, here's my electrical tape. So I have an LED somewhere in here. I swear. I have a little, cabinet of 9 drawers. And inside it are varying things related to electronics. This one is the one... Okay, sorry. This drawer has a bunch of sea urchins in it. Sea urchin shells. It's really cool. I fucking love this. They're like mini nipples. Just a bunch of nipples. Why is that in my electronics drawer, you might ask? Because I was using it as inspiration for a piece, and I just kept it there, and I don't know where else to put it. Okay. This is my drawer of lace. I don't think I have an LED in there either. Sorry. I know that I have an LED to show in one of these fucking drawers. I just don't know which one it is. Anyway, I can't find it. Fuck this. Oh, yeah, got it. Okay. So... so... Cool, I now have an example as well to show everyone. Hey! Okay. Nobody Metroid Crime Sea Urchin mini nipples, yeah. So ignore this resistor that's taped onto the edge of this LED, because it's not, I don't remember why I did that, but anyway, this part's normally not on here. So you have two legs here. This LED would light up if I put a 3-volt, I think I have a 3-volt battery. I'll show you how this works. Okay. So I have a 3-volt battery. One side's positive. It's this side. It's marked positive. This is the negative side. I'm gonna guess this is positive and this is negative. Yeah. Not working. The other way. Ah, there we go. Okay, so here is the LED. One leg's positive, one leg's negative, and then, like, because there's one positive, one negative side here, you can just, like, do this and it'll light up, right? So when you are hooking up electronics, like, to set up LEDs, basically, you have, like, a wire that goes in between, each leg, so positive to negative, positive to negative, positive, negative, and that is called hooking it up in series, which means it's like one after the other. So they all share the same amount of voltage across the entire line. So as you get further away from the power source, like, you're getting less power. Like, everything is like, dulled and dimmed because they're all splitting the same amount of voltage. So that's how this works. So if for example, you cut one of the wires, all the LEDs after that are going to turn off as well, which is what happened here. We lost this wire, disconnected from the LED, and now we have to reconnect it in order to get the entire line to light up again. So Christmas lights are usually set up like this, where they have multiple lights in series. But there's another way you can do this, where you hook up, like, one single line, and on that line, one line is positive, one line is negative, and then you just hook them in between, and that's called doing it in parallel, which I can show you here. Can I get this? I don't know if this works. This is a sample from a workshop. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so, explain this. This is from a workshop I taught. I think this is the last sample I made. Very, very quick thing. Anyway, so this is taking, these are LEDs. You see the little shiny, like, jeweled things? They are a different package for an LED. So I like these, especially for integrating it into fabric, because they have 4 legs instead of 2. So you can kind of do this thing where you, like, push the LED in and then crimp it at the bottom, and it has a very nice hold. It's, like, gripped in there into the fabric. So that's what I did here. And instead of wire, we use, conductive thread. So this thread will carry the current instead. And if you've seen me talk about textiles, this is made of wool. It is fully wool because wool is self-extinguishing. You're probably not going to set it on fire with electronics, with a 3-volt battery specifically, but just in case, you don't want to use any synthetic fabrics because they will burn and stick to your skin. It is not pleasant. Just in case, we're being safe here. So basically, how this one is hooked up, this is in parallel. You have the battery pack here, and one of the leads goes to the negative line, and the other one to the positive. So then if you follow this along here, which one is this? This is the positive line. So this positive line goes from here, connects to here, connects to here, connects to here, and then stops. You cut it off, you don't connect it to the other line. The other line here the way it works is when you close this clasp, it connects the two. It connects it all to the battery. So there was that one line that went from here to all the LEDs. The other line comes from here, goes to the button, goes all the way here, and then connects to the other side of the LEDs. So That's how this works, and this is just a little bracelet. Oops, I put that on the wrong way. It's this. And then when I close it, ideally it works. It was working. There we go. I could set it on fire. Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you got a hot enough battery, you definitely could. Battery pack heating up. So, with, depends what type of battery you're using. In general, you probably don't want to use something that would get hot enough to set something on fire. And even, it would have to get really hot, like, it would have to be at dangerous levels, I feel like, for a battery pack to do that. As long as you have all of your stuff balanced properly, like, you're not, no car battery, absolutely not. That would be, I think that would just fucking automatically set it on fire. Definitely no car battery. Anyway, okay, we were fixing this other thing that I was working on. Hold on. Before we got into a discussion on what I was doing, we're fixing this. Also, hey, Crab, happy Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna get a wire stripper here. Wire stripper. Sorry, I have like a million pairs of pliers that I have to sort through here. That's like stuck. Anyway, I have a pair of wire cutters. Definitely not an airplane battery. No. 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 Okay, so we're gonna use a wire stripper. There we go. So we expose some of this copper wire here. I'm gonna twist it to put all the strands together. I'm going to turn this back on and test that this works before I go and permanently change this. So this is here. Confirm that this is the right wire. Yep, it is. Okay, so I just need to rewrap this. Are all these wires acceptable? It can be anywhere here. Okay. Cool. This isn't even, it is kind of soldered. I'm gonna wrap it. Okay, so hold on. Turn this off first. The other way. I'm gonna do some more wire stripping, so we have more to work with. There we go. Hell yeah, we're doing electronics. This was an impromptu electronics thing. My my Christmas lights necklace, before I put it on today, I apparently pulled something too hard and accidentally severed one of the wires. So we're just doing an impromptu, electronics stream here. I don't have my soldering iron handy, so, I feel like I should solder this. I feel like I'm gonna regret it if I fucking don't. What are crowd control points? So, the original intent of today's stream, we were supposed to be playing, Skyrim with crowd control. So that's why there's a plugin over top of it. But basically you can exchange channel points to fuck with my game in Skyrim. You know what? I'm gonna fucking solder this. Okay, hold on. Everyone, you guys are gonna see the behind the green screen. I'm gonna take off my headphones. Anyway, I swear in like 15 minutes we'll be playing Skyrim, but I need to do this. Hold on. Green screen. I actually am not 100% sure where it is. Yeah, it's in here. Okay. And green screen's going back up. Oh. Okay. Fuck it, build a theremin, right? Just do it. I wish I could plug this into USB. This is a very short cable. I might have to solder this off stream. Dare you to put on a green shirt. Yo, I did that. I did that for Halloween. I was a floating head. It was really good. I clicked on this stream because the name's superb, super creative, and amazing, only to find power. Pure exaggerated power. Pure power. Okay, where the fuck should I plug this in? Okay, we're gonna set up a soldering station on a stool that I have under my desk. So give me a second again. Enjoy the chair stream. Enjoy the chair stream. Oh my god, it's actually kind of impossible to get under. Okay, I am plugging in. Oh god, I have to unplug something else in order to get it to work. I hope this is the Nintendo Switch. Make sure to wear eye protection. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna wear sunglasses for it. I'm back, hold on, I'm coming. Coming back. It's a very, very tight space in this room. There is not, like, a ton of space for me to move around. Okay. I'm gonna wet this sponge. Actually, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wet this sponge. Okay, sponge has been wet. You have a question? What is your question? What is your question? Kenyankin. I have to find my solder too. Hold on, I'm gonna take this off. So I don't rip anymore. Yes, I did just want an excuse to use that remote. Wet that sponge could be the next wet that throat. Yeah, right? Yeah, so hold on, I'll explain stuff in a second. I just need to find my solder, which I'm concerned I don't have any more of. I'm wondering if I'm out. Oh, wait. I, like, just got, like, an entire new... But I don't know where it is. I'm looking! Your buttons. Man. God damn it. I wish I was more prepared to be able to just do something like this, like impromptu. I'm not. There's also a lot of stuff on my desk and I'm having trouble, like, for everything. That's not it either. Really, I don't have, like, any of it? Anyway, how are you all doing? How's everyone's Christmas going? How's your Christmas going? Or if you're off, if you're not celebrating Christmas, I hope your holidays are going well. I've had a hectic morning. Oh, wait, I found some solder. I found some, oh god. It's an empty container. Oh, yeah. Sweet, okay. I have the smallest amount of this left. We did it. We found it. We found the solder. Okay. Going okay? Kinda tired, yeah? Yeah, I'm a little sleepy too, but I also, it could be because I went to sleep at like 5 a.m. That could be why. Maybe. That's okay, I'm gonna turn my soldering iron off. Actually, can I stick this onto my desk? Does it reach? Oh, it does. It does reach, just barely. You can't see it, though. I'm gonna move my Xbox controller off the desk. Put this over here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this soldering iron on, which is very dusty. Oh, that's gross. I was trying to show you guys it, but it's like super dusty and gross. This is the soldering iron. It's the soldering iron. It's here. This is the wand. So basically, what you do with this... Oh, that is in bad shape. You didn't need a wand tip for this. Basically what you do is you heat up the 2 pieces of copper wire enough so that this metal here automatically melts and goes between the 2 of them to make the connection. No, the tip's fine, it's just, I'm sure it'll work. We're literally doing 1 solder. I do have a replacement tip, I think, somewhere, but I'm not gonna go looking for it right now. It's looking a little not great. It should be okay, though. For our purposes. Parents didn't buy the epilator I asked for because they don't like the idea of you transitioning, but Big Bro took me aside and gave me one that he bought for me. Oh, that's amazing! Yo, okay, I have to I have to talk about how great epilators are. I fucking love epilators so much. Like it can get painful, it can be painful, but like it is the best way to get rid of your body hair. Because it's basically like it's a wand that you like put on your skin, and you just like you roll it across your skin and it pulls all of the hairs out. It's fucked up. It kind of, if I'm explaining it, it sounds like a torture device, but it lasts for like so much longer than shaving does, and it looks better. It's a lifesaver. Never heard it. It's similar to waxing. So it's basically waxing without the wax. And the need to have to use all of the, like the fabric and the wax and heating up the wax. It's so much easier. You literally just turn this on and then just go. Use it for your leg, yeah. Yeah, it's really good. I love my epilator. I bought one, I want to say, 3 years ago, and it's been worth it. It's been worth it. I have one that does like shaving as well, so you can just like you switch the head out on it, and you can turn it into something that shaves instead. So it's super fucking handy. It's really good, really good. I would never go back to shaving again. Yours does that? Yeah, awesome. It's kind of the best. Okay, I wonder if this is hot. Oh, it's hot enough that it's melting the tip. What I had on here before. Okay, so hold on. Let's put this back in here. I don't want to burn myself. Let me get my stuff ready. So we have this and this. So I'm gonna wrap some of this wire around here, around this leg. A little bit. Just enough to get a little grip. And then we're gonna heat it up and quickly dab the metal solder onto it. Some pliers. Just confirm that this is together. Cool. Okay, so you guys aren't gonna see this, I don't think. Actually, maybe you might. It's actually very hard to do because you usually need helping hands. Do epilators hurt as bad as wax? So kind of. I feel like wax is worse because you don't have, like, with the epilator, you have the pressure. Like, it helps because you're putting pressure on it as the hairs are coming out. And I feel like that, it's definitely more convenient, probably a little tiny less painful than waxing. But it honestly, like, it's a fucking godsend. That fucking device is so cool. If you can tolerate pain and you hate shaving, like, definitely use an epilator. Okay, so I'm gonna do this thing, and I hope I don't burn myself, actually. Wish I could prop this on something. What if I grab a ball from here? That was a very shitty solder, but I did it. Hold on. I'm gonna do another one. Not quite flowing. It's very stiff solder here. It's just kind of coating the metal. Oh. What about an ingrown hair warning? Yeah, sure. You can get an ingrown hair from waxing too. I mean, that's in the nature of anything where you're pulling a hair out of its follicle. Okay, I'm gonna lean this up against here. Actually, that is... Okay. Done. We did it! We got it flowing. We got the solder flowing. I should have put safety glasses on. That's okay. Is that cooled down enough? Yes, it is. Cool. Okay, so now we're gonna take, first off, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna put this down here. Put my solder away. Maybe in a better place this time. Cool. I need to put this away, and I need a wire cutter away. Okay. Shit, where did I put the electrical tape? Fuck. Hold on. I swear I had it on my desk. Did I put it away? Damn it. Did I drop it? I think I dropped it somewhere. Okay. Oh, like that was the only matching color I had. Shifting stuff around to see if I can find it. No, don't know where it went. Okay. That's okay. On the black tape after. We'll just use blue for now. Crime on Christmas. Crime on Christmas. I told everyone I was doing this because we have to watch the last episode of Telefrancais today, everyone. And that's today. We do that on Friday. Final episode ever. I'm very, it's the end of an era. Okay. So, now that I've done all that, I can just grab this electric tape, wrap it, and we'll find some black electric tape afterwards to make it look less embarrassing. Telefrancais. Do you know of Telefrancais? If you do, then you found... Okay, no, you haven't. Okay, yeah, no, we've been watching... It's a French-Canadian, television show from the... late... Oh, Anana. Yeah, you do! Okay! Holy fuck, yeah, okay, so... I had to share this with the world. I had to share it with the world, and I was like, okay, fine, we're gonna start watching episodes. So every Friday for the last 30 weeks, we've been watching Telefrancais. So it's just been getting more and more ridiculous. I have no idea how they're gonna end it today, and it's kind of nuts. I can't believe we've watched 30 episodes of this fucking... It just keeps getting more and more bizarre. Missed watching it with you and your community. Yeah, well, you're here now. You're here for the last episode. That's a pretty cool thing. Okay, so this is fixed. It's also been an hour. let me double check that it's working. Oh yeah, full lights. Full lights. Hey, hey, hey. Did it. Yay!